So justification later, sir. Justification later. First, let's just count.
Repeat the question properly before asking the question.
So just take a recording. This recorded. See, we are now asking people that in the present condition, in whatever condition the builder wants to give the society, do we want to take over the society in any such condition? So we have one owner who wants to say, and we respect his view. Now can we raise hands of people who don't want to take over the society? So as we can see, there is no need for any headcounts. It is unanimous that people are not interested in taking a society because not because that because of the legal issues, because of the conveyance, because of the money, and because of so many other issues. Now, as far as the maintenance is concerned, that's the next point which we wanted to discuss about what we have to do in our next meeting. And I stand corrected. I said that we voted unanimously. There was one dissent, so I changed my word. It is by majority. I'm sorry for the error.
I'm Dinesh Raja, owner of the 1304. I want to consider taking over the society with some of the caveats that you have mentioned. I'm not saying unconditional. All the points that you have made which are valid will be taken. So I want to take over the society. I prefer the society is taken over with the caveats that you have mentioned. That's the point.
So at the risk of repeating again, as we said, the caveats are such that once we take over, there is no provision under law in this country where we can revert back to the situation.
Because conveyance has been done in several cases.
No, it's not, sir. It's not the conveyance. It's the area, because it's the bylaws which the builder has already signed on our behalf and which we have signed has an area which is wrong. So that cannot be corrected by taking over the society, because we cannot tell the board that we accept this and we don't want that. Okay.
One question that I have.
Sir. Yeah.
One question that I have. What does a buying agreement state? Has anyone thought about it? What is
the buying agreement is subject to correct. The buying agreement is subject to MOFA. The MOFA has got authority on that agreement. If anything which the builder has written, which is ultra virus or which cannot be performed as per MOFA, will not be valid in the court of law.
The same problem that
No,
happened.
see, builders will do everything.
Right in front of Bellissimo, they didn't convey the same thing that happened, and they've already built a building.
Correct. So that's why we must be like we were very late in fighting against Grande. Let's not be late. That's the point we want to say. So let's not be late in our further actions.
Only I think one question he raised,
Yes.
most of the people will want answer for that. How do we tackle those people who want to take
So now we go to the main decision about how do we handle 19 and the people who are wanting to take over the society. Unfortunately, those people who gave the clarion call that we must take over the society have not come here and not given us their views. So really we don't know what is there in their mind. So as Mr. Anil Bali feels that probably they have certain some plans to take over the society. See, as of now, okay, they have made it clear. As far as they have made it clear that they are going to take over. So we just go back a little bit. On 15th of June 2013, also the same thing happened. Some people from our complex and the Grande building, they took over the society. Same way. They signed somewhere, they made some papers, they gave it to the registrar that handover has been done, etc. etc. But it was not considered legal. The registrar himself said that it is not legal. That's number one point. So such kind of hideous takeover means where somebody goes and signs or behind your back he goes and makes an arrangement, that will not be considered valid. So today we are making a decision that, let's assume there are 100 more people, we still have more majority than them. So if we are coming to that meeting on that day, there is no way anybody can take over. So as today you have raised your hands saying that you don't want to take over the society, we assume that on that day itself you will maintain the same stance. So if you maintain the same stance, nobody can take over the society. So that's for sure. Today that is very clear to hear. So this guy is not going to even enter the complex. unless he brings moons and enters the complex on his own, which I don't think is going to happen. So really, I don't know what further to say, but in case whatever the meeting happens, we all are together. We all are together, like 20, 15, whatever people are there. Let them say that they want to take over. We all will opposite. Only thing is that we should come to the meeting. That if it does take place. So
Okay, that's what I want to request. All of us, let us please attend the meeting and see what happens and contribute to it either the way we want or whatever it is. Let's first attend. Yes, we have a tendency not to attend such meeting. Please attend the meeting on 19th. How will you continue?
I would also try to say that, see, these people are playing games. Every time they issue a notice and we start, running around like opposites, oh my god, notice has come and 5 people start making different plans. Let's not get so perturbed by whatever he issues, any instructions, any emails. Why do we get so worried? See, we perform our duties and they should perform their duty. Let's not get so perturbed by email of 18%. Does he have the right to charge you 18%? Why are we getting so frightened of 18%? So let's be little strong. You see, let's be little strong. Today we got a little strong with care and we stopped the AO. Had we done this 2 years ago, we would have stopped it 2 years ago. But the point is, let us all be together. Let's have little bit strength in our hands. Let's not wait for XYZ to take care of our complex. We know that a robber is entering into our complex. We stop him ourselves. You don't have to go to the courts. So that is what we have decided right now, that he will not come inside. And KF is ending to it. Because we cannot stand at the gate 24 hours waiting for him.
If your branch standard of order can be illegal and you fight case against them and why they are taking money? On what basis they are taking money from so many people?
Sir, they are taken because they have done fraud.
No, but it is illegal you are telling, na?
Yes.
When illegal is there, then what right they have to come inside and sit down?
Sir, तो आप नहीं उन्हें आने देंगे, तो आप नहीं ऐसा करेंगे।
सिक्योरिटी वाला हूँ मैं सिक्योरिटी वाला हूँ तुम नेता बने हो यहाँ पर और वहाँ जा खड़े करे हुए
सर, अभी हमने डिसाइड किया है कि हम नेता बने हैं।
तो बात में ज्यादा बने हुए हो
सर,
एक बात में कुछ क्या है
हमने अभी ये डिसाइड किया है।
मेरे को सुनाई वाली बात कर
सर, हमने ये डिसाइड किया है कि जो नेता है, वो ही गेट पे खड़ा है।
क्यों तुम नेता नहीं हो
नहीं तो हम हैं ना सर, खड़े
क्यों
रहेंगे।
नहीं गए तो बोलने के लिए
सर, हमें गलती हो गई हमसे। पहले गलती हो गई थी।
Wait, another question.
Okay. So we might
Please wait. Again, we go to the without mic. Please wait.
Just 1 minute. Let's not get offended. Mr. Arora has got direct points. Let's not get offended by what he says. And it is his demeanor to talk that way. So he's not shouting at me. He's just simply putting all his ideas. So as I said, we made a mistake. As I told right now, that we made a mistake. That the day AO came inside, we should have stopped there. Unfortunately, OSPA made a mistake. We made a mistake. I made a mistake. Everybody made a mistake. But we can always amend it. So right now we have decided that we will not make a mistake. Yeah, and the second point is that the law is also very clear. See what was happening is AOs were continuing for years and years together, and it was stripping the society of all the funds. So in 2013, the law was amended, and the law made it very clear that AO cannot be appointed for more than 6 months whatsoever, anywhere. Even if the earthquake comes, he cannot be appointed. It's very clear, statute. Nobody can give order of extension, no court, Supreme Court, nothing. It is the legislative wisdom, this situation now once it's under, what I mean to say is that he cannot be extended anyway. So he's already overstayed his welcome here, I think 2014, right? 17th April. 17th April was his last day here. Even if you consider everything legal, including the society. So right now, his notices have got no meaning. Okay?
Few people want to speak. Okay. Few people want to speak. Do you have anything
No,
important that you like to do?
just one few more things. Who is in this place is the question. The builder was always there. The builder from 2011, the builder is making our complex till today. First he put Sarikar. I'm just giving simple answer. First he put Sarikar to take care of the complex. Then the Sarikar got because he was builder's man, people were troubling him a lot. So they planned, okay, let me put a AO. So finally, AO is only doing what ORL is saying. That's it. Tomorrow, now the second point is that we can also, if who is interested in maintaining the complex, let's ask here, कौन नेता बनना चाहता है सर? आप आएंगे सर मेंटेनेंस करने के लिए?
सत्ता में यही काम करूँगा।
हाँ देखो सर, 70 साल में
बोलिए टाइमिंग
2 साल में कुछ काम नहीं किया। 2 साल में क्या काम किया यहाँ पर?
करेक्ट सर, हमने
अरे
इसलिए
हम
काम
लोग
किया।
बताते हैं यहाँ पर कि हम ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, 2 साल में क्या किया आपने? सोसाइटी में भी लोग काम कर रहे हैं, लोग पैसा दे रहे हैं, हम सोसाइटी नहीं है। हम बिल्कुल खराब है।
Friends, we are willing to listen to you. Mohit wants you to run to agenda before you speak. Please go on.
Correct. So, see, as we said, maintenance has to be done by us. One of us, some natural person has to be there, not a society name board. So, who are these natural people who are making such a pitch that we need to maintain? We need to know who are these 5 or 6 people. We need at least a team of 4 or 5 people who will take care of our children's playground and our swimming pool. So, who are these 4 or 5 people? Mr. Natarajan is one, okay. Mr. Sudhir. So now we have these people. So let's empower them. See, today is the first time I'm telling you after in last 3 years that somebody has raised their hand that they want to do the medical. So let's give them their authority.
Can some more representatives?
No, somebody said that who will replace
For the
them.
lady member.
So the replacement is our own people. The replacement is our own people. Whether you take over the society or not has got nothing to do with it. Our own people will take over. They are interested in doing the maintenance. They are interested in giving you services. What is the problem?
Without money.
Without money सर कुछ नहीं मिलता है दुनिया में. Without money कुछ नहीं मिलता है. अगर आपको आपके गार्डन अच्छे चाहिए, आपको अपने कचरा हटाना है अपने घर से, आपको किसी ना किसी को तो पैसा देना ही पड़ेगा. All you on your own कचरा to take कचरा from the society. So without paying anyone is not the correct path. We are saying that you have to pay someone.
Tomorrow he will build house from here. For what purpose you will build? What is the guarantee? This all more away.
Sir.
People go by their rent and their cost. I don't know.
So there are no answers to the questions.
Not answer those questions, I question.
Okay, so now we I think the agenda for the meeting is more or less over. So we have decided that we will just once again I'll just sum up and then we leave it open for mutual discussion.
Mohit will sum up today and then we all will speak.
Yeah, the mutual discussion will be without moderation. I won't get involved. I'll also be one of you. Okay? Fine. So what we decided today is that taking over this complex, Splendor complex is very, very deeply injurious to us. Nobody is interested in that. We want to do our maintenance, but this is not the way to do the maintenance. And if that meeting does take place on 18 or 19, then we all are going to attend. And what stance we have shown here, we will show the same stance there. And if we do that, definitely the builder is not going to succeed. That's what we can summarize from this meeting. And there are people in our complex who can take over the maintenance, who can be responsible for it, and we should give them that opportunity. We can't feel that everybody is out to cheat or run away or if the builder is not run away, I'm sure the owners will also not run away. So I leave the stage now. Now we leave the meeting unmoderated, please. Thank you.